Meanwhile, Sheikh Muhyideen Ajani Bello has emerged the leader of the Yorubaland Council for Islamic Preachers. Alhaji, who was at the coronation ceremony held in the premises of Lagos Television, reports that the new leader was found deserving of the position due to his record of promoting Islamic religion. The report.
It was a gathering of Islamic scholars who came to celebrate Sheikh Ajani Bello as the Sultoonul Waa'seen of the Yorubaland Council of Islamic Preachers. Sheikh Bello, who was described as a relentless advocate of Islam, who is always finding innovative ways to improve the word of Islam. And the presentation of their various lectures, speakers say there is need for Muslim parents to teach their children the tenets and principles of Islam so as to raise children that have the fear of Allah in all dealings.
Islam teaches a patient obedience to Allah, do whatever he commands us to do, and go away with forbidden things like alcohol, shiriku, everything that Allah don't like.
The way he has been coming, the way he has been doing right from his childhood, Baba should continue. Almighty Allah is with him.
They called on government at all levels to pay attention to the development of the youth as leaders of tomorrow.
Baba is the epitome of knowledge in our Quran and imparting on the people. And that's why people like us, we read it up from his own experience.
The whole world knew him before, and we are knowing him at home now. We are recognizing him at home. We are doing the grand coronation. I'm so happy for him.
Some of the guests describe Sheikh Bello as an honest man who is not biased and has believed solely in the doctrine of Islamic, adding that for his over 40 years as a teacher of Islam, he maintained the principle.
Baba is always deliver his message as a scholar, as an Islamic scholar, to the whole world, and call the whole nation to the way of Almighty Allah. That is the reason why the entire Supreme Council of Islamic Preachers in Yorubaland decides to choose Sheikh Ajani Muhyideen Bello as Sultoonul Waa'seen of Yorubaland.
Sheikh is for the youth of this country. He's fighting seriously for the generality, particularly the middle class and the lower class. So therefore, I'm so pleased, I'm so honored that they gave him this responsibility today.
Baba is always a straightforward Islamic scholar. He said it the way it is, and is an honest and open-minded and a scholar.
For the Sheikh, it is a call to do more for the advancement of Islam.
We have to train our people to know what they are good, because you as a camera, something or newscaster, you understand me? If you know that anyway, the way you are talking to the people is not, maybe it's not moving them. So, but one way or the other, you have to change it. So we change the version now.
Sheikh Bello, according to many, is a resilient, honest, knowledgeable Islamic preacher whose wealth of experience many believe will move the Islamic religion forward. In Lagos, Alhaji, NTA